Hi guys friends, my name is Santosh Chauhan. We will discuss about the HTML. Friends, we will understand about this HTML completely step by step. So without any further delay, let's get started. Friends, we will search type box Visual Studio Codes. Friends, first of all we will print Visual Studio Code in search box. So and after this we will click on this software. This is the open. Friend, this is the interface of the Visual Studio Codes. Already you know very well as for me. Friends, we will understand step by step to overall function of Visual Studio Codes. So friends, first of all, this is the file option. It is the used to this option. Create file, new file, saving data and deleting data, and so on. It is like this work is the used to this option. Edit, modify software for making during making program. Friends, internally of software. Friends, selection like this, view like this, go like this. This is the menu. There are the many menu available in Visual Studio Codes. Run off menu, terminal menu, like this menu available in Visual Studio Code. Friends, terminal, this is output of the program. It is the used to this menu in Visual Studio Codes. Yeah, other software. Friends, this option create folder and this option create file. Friends, so first of all we will create folders. We will make one folder present time Visual Studio Code. Friends, and which name is g.html. Friends, after this we will save one particular folder and which name is document folder with .html extension. Without .html extension we will save your folder. Your coding does not work because this is the region of the in view of .html extension. This is the very important present time I am telling you. Friends, when we will save any one file with .html extension, otherwise without .html extension to your folder, your coding does not work. Already I have told you. Friends, first of all we will understand overview of the Visual Studio Codes. Friends, this is my favorite software developed by Microsoft organization, and co-founder of this company Bill Gates, and it is the very biggest software company of world, and CEO of this company and his name is Chief Executive Officer Satya Nadella. Friends, this is the overview of the HTML. This is the overview of the Visual Studio Code about this software. This is the advanced software editing related to programming, not for the editing. Friend, we will include enough function like this live server and so on. It is like this function include. We will all programming we will use to this software for all programming. Yeah, we can use all programming to this software. Friends, first of all, now about introduction of the web development. Friends, there are the 4 technology used to web development. First, HTML at which name is Hypertext Markup Language. It is the full form of the HTML. Friend, it is the language of the web. It is used to create website. HTML, we use the HTML tags look web and feel website. We use HTML tags looks and feel of a website. Understanding of these tags, how to put them together. It is the used to create website easily. Friends, number 2 technology comes to in web for making website. CSS is the important part of web development. It is the used to create designing website. Friends, number third, JavaScript. JavaScript works like a brain in websites. It is the used to in a flip. For example, in simple language, I tell you, friends, I am taking one example of human body. In human body, bones is a HTML and muscles is a CSS and Java script is a brain. This is the simple language I have told you about this HTML plus JavaScript plus CSS, friends. Now we will create one folder, g.html. Already I have created g.html. Now we will type in some symbols in g.html folder. Then after this enter, this is the boilerplate, friends. This is the boilerplates. Already you know very well, friends, as for me. First statements, this is the boilerplate, this is the template, this is the Emmet abbreviation. As you can understand, friends, by dint of HTML code, overall concept of website we will solve to this HTML code, to this boilerplate, to this Emmet abbreviation. So friends, first statement what say, this is the HTML5 document, and second statement what say, this is the attribute, and third statement, this is the opening head, this is the clothing, as known as this is the meta tag, friends. This is the code folding. This option is called code folding, friends. And third statement what say, this is the meta tag, this is the opening head, this is the closing head, friends. And what is the meta tag? Meta tag is used to external link in website, that is called meta tag, and used to description. We can print in your website when, then it is the used. Then we can print your description about website, that then it is the used meta tag. And what is the title? In title tag we can print your website, your URL of website, friends. We can print your URL of website, then it is the used of HTML of title tag, friends. So this is concept of the meta tag. Meta tag is the other topic I will not understand completely, because this is the broad topic, and this topic is used to enoughly, mostly, friends. SEO is the search engine optimization technology. It is based on the Internet Explorer, friends. Internet Explorer is a search engine browser, friends. I will not completely understand, because this is the concept of the meta tag, because this is the broad topic, henceforth I will not understand completely. So friends, now we will understand body. What is the body? Body in HTML we will print, we can print data, we can print overall data in a website, that is called body. When we can print, we prints complete data of website, that is called body, in body in HTML. And this and 5 statement what say, this is the closing HTML tag, friend. This is the concept of the boilerplate, friends. So thank you so much, friends. I will see you next time. So much information you're taking. Be with you everything.